Well, welcome back, and this is really exciting because the GSXR 750 project is done, and I'm very happy about that. If you've been watching the series on the rebuild project, thank you so much for doing so. If you haven't, here's a reminder as to what the bike looked like a couple of months ago in its crashed up, crumpled up state after my crash at Snetterton. So I've spent the last 2 months learning how to rebuild this bike. It's finally done and I'm so happy with how it looks. I can't wait to show you. Cue the montage. In a playful mood. Who's in a playful mood? Ah. Of course he is, trying to film something. So that's Ronnie the dog, and this is the completed GSXR 750 track bike, crashed bike rebuild project. And I am massively happy. Let's go down here and get a better shot. I am massively happy with how it's turned out. And I just thought I'd do a quick kind of walk around really, because yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. So the first thing really to shout out is the paint, which I don't know if this camera's going to pick it up properly, but it's a dark navy or a Ferrari navy blue, darkened a bit more, and it has metallic, lots of like little metallic flakes in to make it sparkle in the light, but it's pretty subtle. It's just such a good job. So the paint was done by a total legend called Jesse at Kamikaze Paint. They're based near Stansted Airport. Like, just total legend to work with. Really, really cool. Got my business logo here, so it's a custom, it's like custom livery. But yeah, just genuinely, really, really pleased. Here he is again. Really, really pleased with how it's panned out. So just a couple of features, I suppose. So the bodywork all came from Pro Fiber. There is a video of me fitting it, which it was pretty all right, but some challenges definitely. Obviously the rear subframe was replaced, which again, there's a video on that. The fuel tank was replaced. So a couple of like pretty big new bits on it. Got a new TT style double bubble screen. Half because I'm lanky and tall, so that would be helpful. Half because I just think they look really cool. And yeah, what else? Just kind of other features on the bike really. So K-Tech cartridge kit on the front forks, K-Tech rear shock, which you can see down here. Just then you see the K-Tech rear shock. Those two things, yes, they were pricey, but they made such a big difference on how this bike handles. What else have we got? The other big thing, come down, I don't know if you can see. So the exhaust system, so it's a Black Widow straight through exhaust, which is decatted. So straight through pipes from Black Widow with a Pipeworks end can. I do have a quieter one for UK days because this is quite pokey, but that was brilliant. Then up here, some other upgrades I've got. So a Domino quick action throttle. Comes with 3 settings. I've got it on the medium setting at the moment. Brembo master cylinder, again, just another fantastic upgrade for the money. Just the brake just transformed the braking on this bike. R&G brake guard, brake lever guard, because you have to have one. This was a bit of a stupid expense, to be honest, the switchgear, but because I changed the throttle over, I had to get secondary switchgear, but I think it looks cool. MSS clip-ons, again, because I'm lanky, having wider bars just really helps, so I really like these. Starlane lap timer, I fitted that in the last video, so again, dead easy. It literally just runs under the tank to the battery, and then when you turn the bike on, there's a power button. But yeah, all in all, pretty happy. Pretty happy with how it's turned out. So next step with this bike is tomorrow morning is getting on a truck and going to Spain for a track day at Andalusia with no limits. So just about finished it in time. I'm going to do a series on that. So if you're interested in how a Euro track day trip tends to work and how you load a stillage and things like that, I'm going to cover all of that in a short series on the trip. So do check out that one. But if you have been watching this series, thank you so much. And if you commented, thank you so much again. It's actually been really cool to work on. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. I would love to see you on the channel for future videos. Give us a thumbs up on this video because it makes a massive difference and is really appreciated. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.